Scribe Copilot is not an ambient listening scribe. It is a full-blown clinical decision support agent that watches over your shoulder and has your back. To get started, select the Scribe tool, available either in the web app or mobile app. I'll demonstrate in the web app, but the process is almost identical. Already, you can see that Xaia is pulling in clinically relevant context from the EHR. Because Xaia listens to the conversation, you need consent from the patient. Attest that consent was received. For cases when the patient refuses or is mute for any reason, refer to the Smart Dictation tool, which we discussed in a separate video. Next, select your template. You can also adjust the language you plan to speak with the patient. If you are speaking to a provider and not a patient, for example when getting report from the resident or fellow, you can check provider to provider. This is often used to create amazing attending notes. If you are using telehealth like Zoom or Teams, check telehealth mode. This tells Xaia to also listen to audio coming out of the speaker and not just the microphone. The microphone indicator should be showing some activity if the mic is working. If not, you might need to enable mic permissions. For example, in the Island browser, click the options in the address bar, enable microphone, and refresh the page. You can also check that your mic is not muted. Once ready, you can click Start Scribe. During the session, Xaia will create relevant, dynamic information that gets updated in real time as the conversation proceeds. Xaia also automatically pulls relevant data from the EHR. For example, if the patient says they have chest pain, Xaia may fetch and show vital signs, EKG, troponins, and chest X-ray. You can also request information by saying the word Xaia followed by a command like, "Xaia, is she on blood pressure medication?" At the end of the session, simply click End Session. A note will now automatically be generated and uploaded to the patient's chart in the EHR within about 7 minutes. In case you need to pause mid-session, you can pause. You can also safely press the close button. This will ask if you want to park the session and continue later, or end the session and generate a note. If you park the session, you can come back to it later by clicking the Parked Sessions button, finding the session, and pressing Continue. Sessions can be parked for up to 24 hours. The generated note will appear in several places. In your Epic basket, in the patient's chart as an unsigned note by you, and in Xaia itself under the Sessions container. By default, the note will also be emailed to you as a PDF. If you prefer to not be emailed, you can toggle that option off in the settings.